Hi class, it's Ms. Moran again. I want to talk to you about chapter 2 from our step-by-step book. And again, this is just a review because we've covered this already, but it's been several days, so take a quick look at it. Um, the ICD-10 is a classification system for morbidity and mortality. ICD is International Classification of Disease developed by the WHO, the World Health Organization, and it's used globally. The 10 and the CM is 10th revision, and CM is clinical modification. As you can see, the index is in alphabetical order. You can see right over here, abdomen, and see here, acute abdomen, we'd look for R10.0 in the tabular. And the index has the main terms and subterms. And as you can see, aberrant right over here is the main term, and then all of these underneath are indented because those are subterms. Not only that, if you see right over here, artery, so this would be aberrant artery, say that it's a coronary artery. So say the patient has an abnormal coronary artery, would be aberrant artery and then coronary. So this is how we would look codes up. There's 21 chapters in the ICD-10. I will see them right over here. The tabular, each section begins with a unique letter and codes arranged in numerical order. Here we go with our acute abdomen again, and it has a definition you can see right over here, and it tells us what it excludes. So this R10.0 excludes abdominal rigidity, which would be R19.3. Okay, so what that means is that you cannot code these two together. Official instructions, there's notations all over the ICD-10 that give examples of category content, includes, gives the description, like you can see right over here, definition here. Excludes ones mean not coded here. So if your patient has a localized infection, you would have to go and see a body system related chapter. Excludes one, not coded here, not coded in this chapter. Excludes two means not included over here. So if your patient has, let's say, any condition that's listed in A00 to B99, and also is a carrier of an infectious disease, well, you would have to use whatever the code is, A00.19, for example, and as well as Z22. So keep your eyes open for includes, use additional code, excludes one, and excludes two. The code first and use additional code. Code first is going to be, this has to do with, for example, look in this right over here. This patient, this category is streptococcal sepsis, and it's telling us code first. For example, if it's a, let's say it's a streptococcal sepsis during labor. So we would code first the O75.3, and then whatever the code is for the sepsis. And it's mainly to describe the manifestation or the etiology. Code also means more than one code is required to fully describe. So we have to pay attention when we see this here. The when a code is less than 6 characters long, we may have to use a 7-character placeholder, an X, like you can see right over here. And that's the conclusion of the chapter 2 of our step-by-step. Have a great afternoon. I'll talk to you soon.